Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I want to talk only about BTC. Let's dive in, guys. Take a look for everyone who think that 27 block, 27 level is just random things. Take a look where we stop and why we stop it exactly at this block. Why we pump it to exactly this block. Yesterday I explained everything in the Telegram channel, and now the liquidity pool is exactly the 27 level 99 K424, and would be good to see the sweep and correction. So you remember I explained it's a daily time frame. We use the FIB, impulse, top, consolidation, 27 block. This was a break of structure, and would be good to see the test of 27 block. At this point, I explained it's more than logical try to open short position. So for example, with stop loss, it's hard to say. It's hard to say how high, how big can be the stop loss. Let's say 3%. With second leverage, it could be like 6% stop loss. 102K. So maybe with the targets, it's a retest of 92K on liquidity heat map. Yesterday I showed you why this block on the daily time frame, this gap, and the test of even the both break of structure can be the good test, and still will be in the local uptrend. So this was a break of structure. Going higher, 27 block, would be good to see the sweep after yesterday pause on rate decision, from FOMS. Would be good to see something like this one. This is going to be the still uptrend and go higher to the new all-time high. If not, and if it's a reaccumulation, yes, we can still sweep 73,905 because we formed the AQL lows on the daily, but I don't think so. We will. So this is the case, and this is the local one. So local one, everything explained to you before, and 91K personally for me is still more than okay to see. This month or summer, it can be good one, and I want to show you one more great example about the potential all-time high for BTC. I don't think so. We will see the all-time high in May. So locally, everything looks like impulse, 27 block, and with sweep or without a sweep, would be good to see the test and continuation higher, for the new all-time high, but by end of summer. Why by end of summer? So this is a local picture. If you want to open short, you can try to open now or wait retest in London session 99 for 100, and try to open, of course, with a stop loss. Take a look at the global chart. Yesterday also I shared with you this information, so take a look. Usually in recent three corrections on a BTC global one since 2021, usually took 210 days, 210, 237, 238 days for potential new all-time high on BTC. So we hit a high, new all-time high, correction, pump, new all-time high, last one. So it was the last one all-time high, and if we talk about the just first one, it's 189 days. It wasn't 2021. Here it's all-time high and new all-time high. This one, 239 days. If the history repeats, again, it can be new all-time high 238 days. It's around September 15, maybe. If we talk about 189 days. This one, so it can be like June at 2025. So both of this case scenarios, guys, is more than real to see, and I believe in new all-time high. My take for BTC is here 139 and K506. So all targets, guys, I showed you before. So it's not random. It's not some redrawing charts because I need to show you all the time the right predictions. No, guys, I made a lot of mistakes, but globally, I'm way that targets even since 27 block. So this was a 27 block of accumulation. We moved from level to level. Here was a retest of 61, right? Not 0.5, and we go higher. Now 1.61 level by FIB. We retested the yearly open above, so it's good one. Under, of course, we leave the huge gap on weekly time frame, but guys, it's not necessary, so we will come back and close all gaps immediately, right? So this is a gap. It's 86, 426, 92, 845. So it's a gap. So sooner or later, anyway, we can come back and close this gap. But it's just a matter of time. So here, we leave the gap, for example, November 74, and come back and close that gap in April 75. So it's okay, right? That's why would be good to see the last, maybe it's going to be the last impulse on a BTC. I can't know the timing, right? But I truly believe in new all-time high. And it's hard to say about the BTC dominance because around here, we can see the BTC dominance even 70% and even the 50%. So BTC dominance can go higher even if the BTC go up or down. So that's the point, guys. And if you believe in higher targets, of course, it's 183, 210. Is it possible to see the 210? Yes, of course, because I showed you if the BTC copy pasted the NVIDIA chart hit this target. So we will see. Also, the gold correlation between the gold and the BTC always lagging. So firstly, the money inflow into gold. After that, gold go into correction, and BTC step by step, money from the gold start inflow into BTC, and BTC recover back. So let's take a look with indicator set, what's going on now locally and globally. So on a weekly time frame here, this was the time to out of the token, drop, correction, pump. Now it's a trill zone right on the weekly, but without a signals to sell. So it would be good to see some small pullback and last impulse up. So it's going to be the good one. On weekly time frame here, this is a top. Here, this is a almost new high, right? So it would be good to see something like this one. Some like correction, new all-time high. And yes, maybe it's going to be the September, the warrants on a weekly time frame on ADZ. We'll see. Direction, no signal to sell now. Market mood, I showed you. Money power. Let me check. The main focus now, also, of course, now on altcoins. Here, this was a money outflow. Every side bears the awareness drop. We are not even close to the not even close. We close to the top, but not even close to any signals to sell or out of the token or money outflow. So just in case, daily, yes, this is why it's logical to see some money outflow here. Money outflow fixation, money outflow now. So it would be good to see the sweep and correction. And CMA, BTC CMA, there is this one, BTC one, this one. So yesterday I shared with you this chart. So we sweep it the even CMA, this one, and it would be good to see the correction to 92, 91 and 900 and 92 700 gap. Something like this one still will be the uptrend and continuation. This is the case, and QLS indicator straight on, guys. Signal to buy here. You remember this story when here at the CryptoQuant experts, the genius scream it, we go into to the moon, right? And because they need to out of the BTC, and here they talk about everybody's fool who believe in bull run, and now we pump it back, and they say, oh, we're back. It's always so incredible how the guys this flip flop. So you get a plan, you follow your plan. You don't need to withdraw the chart just to pretend to be always right, you know. You just follow your plan, and if you're wrong, you just say, oh, my idea was wrong, you know, and it's okay. But they never say, oh, I was wrong. Never, literally never. It's kind of weird. That's why, guys, be careful who to follow. Take profit daily. Here, take profit line 117K 900. Exit line is kind of interesting curve higher, 132,670. Buy line 59,400. I don't think so. We'll drop that low. 12 time frame, like you can see, we go higher, 116,584. Exit line 131,641. It's not random numbers, guys. I showed you exact numbers, what we can hit, because it works all the time. Here's a buy line 58,800. I don't think so. We'll drop that low, and would be good to see the new all-time high. Of course, the last one, the last impulse, because we got 1, 2, and would be good to see something like this one, 3 drives pattern. After that, drop, bounce, form like usual head and shoulder, and collapse it down to bear market. We will see. Maybe we're gonna hit this target. I can't know the timing, guys, but the sentiment now around looks like everybody's screaming we're going to the moon, to the 500K for BTC. So in 2021, it was like main target 100K. It's like a magic number. Now 100K is not enough. It's not a big deal, right? So we need to shield the plaps, the biggest number, some entertainment content. We need to share that 200K, 300K, 500, $500,000 for BTC. So this is how it works, guys. So I hope you like this video, guys. Highly recommend you trade with this indicator set, because it's give you a lot of information. Now till middle of May, I got a like 30% discount. And guys, if you want to trade it, just write me DM with this set. Highly recommend you join free Telegram channel, because there I share a lot of charts. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.